Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 1, Nigeria 1. I'm joined by Umfana Semnambiti. Sasanda.
I'm great, don't you? Yeah. Siyabonga Sithibo. No, angiqale ukubongela Bafana for ukuthi ithole le draw le. I think it is a very, very important draw if you bheka ukuthi mangiza kule game nami I was expecting ukuthi this game might end in a draw but bengithi mhlawumbe izoba 0-0 if ubheka nayo 1-1 lesitholile in a controversy at some point where you see ukuthi there's a lot of complaints ukuthi why VAR ngasizi manje because a player is scoring a goal with the hand so it's those kind of things but manje when you go to this thing Bafana Nigeria, if you look deeper into it ukuthi Nigeria coming to this game, as much as Tina Besne confident as South Africa, you can see with Nigeria now they are very dominant in this fixture ever since we started playing them. I think in '92 up until now, you could see they have more wins against Bafana. And now in the recent years, if you beg since from 1992 we played them, and to year 2010, I think we do not have a win in those years, and we only have a friendly win. Then you move from 2010 to 2020, you could see now there's an improvement because the second draw and there's a win inside. So from Hugo Bruce 2021, ever since he signed for Bafana, they never beaten us. We have played 3 games. And we have 3 draws ever since Hugo Bruce started coaching Bafana. So it tells you about the kind of a coach he is coming to the team. Thibo, I just want to get into details, important details about the national team. You see, when you coach national team, it's not about philosophy. It's not about the way when you think you can make this team win. It's about how you understand the players. It's about how you understand the quality of the nation. If you beg in, I think before Hugo Bruce came to Bafana year 2020 and before, we had so many quality players, we had so many top players. But ask yourself, what made us not to succeed? What made us not to get to semi-finals, have that team spirit? If you beg best players in Brentford, players in Portugal, top players Bongani Zunga, Antile Chala, you can count all those players. They are top players, but still there was something that was lacking. We couldn't understand what makes us succeed, whereby we have so much quality. But looking now, Hugo Bruce, ever since he came in, I think he only experienced 5 losses, if I'm not mistaken, ever since he started coaching Bafana. And that tells you this thing, Hugo Bruce, I think one thing that he understood when he came to Bafana, it didn't come with this is a quality team, but it came with this team can achieve a lot of things together if they can play as a united team. If you beg a national team right now, we have players like Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. If you beg Mbogazi, no Renas match, we MTN 8, but when they go to national team, there was a speaker trained Renas, and you could tell it's not just born as players which we are playing for Bafana. It's the coaching that is there that tells them, guys, as much as there's this rivalry thing in with South Africa, but still, we are playing as a nation, we are representing Bafana. And it tells you a lot, ever since he came in, there's a lot of improvements, and even the way we defend, the way we attack, because there's no lose a game, just unnecessary games. So Mozambique, I understand with Mozambique. Some of the players, many of the players at Mozambique, some players at and we are dominating those players, and you don't understand. Right now, if you beg at the whole of Africa, you understand even about Morocco, even about Cameroon, all these nations, they are now aware of Bafana the way they are. Even in Egypt, you're gonna play them, and I know for sure, guys, this team is a top team, so we can't take them as just as a team. And another thing that I want to raise is this thing, Orlando Pirates, ubheke ngakubona. Do you get me? Umpopho usubheke ngakubona why ngisho njalo because you look at Mamelodi Sundowns performance, you look at some players aphikiwe Mamelodi Sundowns right now. Abo Krinkekane they got injured. Khuliso Mudau they do not to play. Jalen Adams akenzanga lutho, just that is not on form. Then if you bheka ukuthi manje Orlando Pirates, that is where Hugo Bruce goes and pick some players. You look at some players Orlando Pirates are picky. I think it's Belebele, Mfukeng, Apolis, and also Umbatha. You have Mbogazi, Osbisi Balimele, China, Osbisi Balimele, but for sure Osbisi Maibuya na uzongena kwi national team. So you look at all those players, even Siphombulu. There are players for Orlando Pirates, like they are top players, key players who are playing for Orlando Pirates. And you look at the competitions that they're still gonna play. They're gonna play CAF qualifiers. They're gonna play Calling Cup. They're gonna next year. I'm just talking about this short term up to December. Then you look at December, we have to go and play in Morocco for Bafana Bafana. And now all these cups and all these trophies we need to play for. They need to play for as a Pirates, but at the same time they still gonna be wanted to good for representing nation. And the next month guna qualifiers 2 games asele azodlala ngo-October, and for sure it's these players who abazokwazi bawaphike futhi. You understand me? So today it was much more of a game that wanted more of experience with how do you manage these kind of games. We might talk about tactics and talk about all these things, but sometimes you need to manage the games with even though we understand the quality in Nigeria. I think Hugo Bruce one thing engizomnika credit ngayo kule game, we understand ukuthi Nigeria, as much as they do not combine as much as you might expect, the quality they have. You look at Ademola Lookman, you look at Ndidi, you look at so many quality that is there. Even you look at the center back upace usuke move a center back wakribula nebhola wahamba nale space in weqilani wazofika eboxini waphasa waphinda wakora goal. So it tells you about the quality abanayo. Sometimes kunalento ukuthi you do not have that quality that you need ukwazi ukudlala ngayo as a national team. Sometimes you have an individual brilliance. Alex Iwobi ngathathile ibhola midfield agudle nala pass iwani ibuye kuyena akora goal. So he understood all those things. So that is why maybe someone might ask why aqalisa Opremutiba or Bas. Yeah. Or Bas maqala game, you don't understand ukuthi most of the time yena benomkwana they play almost the same because nomkwana nokudlala deep, even though yena he has that much quality yokuwazi progress, but he's a player idlala as a 6 yabo. So it's 2 number 6, and you look at the attack it was the same attack because Apolis used speed. You look at Nkotha used speed, and Nkotha scored that goal using his speed. If ubheka no Foster umfakela, I think Foster umfakela ukuthi he's a Premier League player. He understands this kind of games ukuthi what do you do as a striker. Sometimes it's not about how many goals you score in these kind of games, it's about how did you manage a goal. If you were na sikuphassela ibhola, what did you do? Sometimes unokithatha ibhola ulikhiphe ngaphandle ubone ukuthi bengangena yena abantu eboxini. It's those kind of moments. If you take a striker, an unexperienced striker, he might not do it because he's still young, maybe he still wants to achieve more, he still wants to go goals. And I understand ukuthi coming to this game, Hugo Bruce managed the game very well for me because he understood ukuthi we are playing in Nigeria that can just win individual brilliances. And the man of the match is Mbogazi.
Thank you. I will say. I will say. I still have to go.